Hello. I was making this video to show the truth about our numbers. A lot of people don't like math because of the way that they're taught. But I just want to show you a few things about numbers. Okay, there are only 9 numbers. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 is not a number. 0 is a placeholder. There are only 9 numbers. What I'm going to show you is our multiplication table, and it's going to be reduced to single digit form. So our multiplication table will only be using these numbers, these single digits, the 9 numbers. 0 is not a number. 0 is not going to be on the multiplication table because if there was a 0, there wouldn't be a number there, you know? It's pretty much a void. It's a placeholder. What I'm going to show you is how to, it's going to be our multiplication table. Reduced to single digit. Which mystery schools have been doing this years ago. It's to reduce a number to single digit form. Let's say, look, 7 reduced to single digit form. It's already a single digit. It's already a 7, so you don't have to worry about that. That's a single digit. Let's say the number 12. To reduce a 12 to single digit form, you just add the digits together. So a 12 isn't a single digit. 12 is a 1 and a 2. So I want to get this 12 to be a single digit. I'll just add them. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 12 reduced to single digit is a 3. 14 would be a 5 in single digit form. Because to reduce a 14 to single digit, I just add 1 and 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Let's say 116. That's 3 digits. I want to reduce it to single digit, so it's 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8. So an 116 in single digit form is an 8. There's a, 45 would be a 9. 3,000, say 30,068. I'll just do an easier one. 406 is a 1. Because 4 plus 6 equals 10. 10 is still not a single digit. 10 is a 1 and a 0. So 10 reduces to a 1. I'm sure you follow me. Just to make sure that we understand reducing to single digit form. Let's see, 47 equals a 2. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 equals a 2 because it's 1 plus 1. Okay, what I'm going to show you, I'm sure you get it. What I'm going to show you is how to reduce. I'm going to just show you our multiplication table in single digit form. This is our multiplication table in single digit form. You know the ones. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 9 is 9. So the multiplication table for 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 when it's multiplied by 1, by 2, by 3, all 1 through 9. Let's do the multiplication table for 2's. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 1. Normally I would be putting a 10, but I want it in single digit, so 10 is a 1, because 1 plus 0 is 1. So 6 times 2 is 3, because 6 times 2 is 12. I'm not going to put a 12 because that's 2 digits, so I'm going to put a 3, single digit. 7 times 2 is 5, because it's a 14. 8 times 2 is a 7, because it's a 16. 1 plus 6 equals 7. You understand? And a 9, anything times 9 is a 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. And now let's do the 3's. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12, which is a 1 plus 2. So 3. 5 times 3 is 6, because 5 times 3 is 15, which is a 6. You know that. 6 times 3 is a 9, because that's 18. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 plus 1 is 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 2 plus 4 equals 6, so I'm going to put a 6. 9 times 3 is 9, because it's a 27, and 27 is 2 plus 7. That's a 9. Now let's do the 4's. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 plus 2. 4 times 4 is 16. Again, 16 is 1 plus 6 is 7, so we'll put a 7 for 4 times 4. It's going to be 7. 5 times 4 is a 20. That's a 2 and a 0. That's just a 2. 0's not doing anything to that 2. So 20 reduced to single digit is a 2. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 we already know. It's 2 plus 4 is 6. So I'll put a 6. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 equals a 10, which equals a 1. So I put a 1 there. For 7 times 4 equals 1. It equals a 28, which is a 1. 8 times 4 is 32. 3 plus 2 is 5. 9 times 4 is a 9. I already know it's a 9. It's 9 times 4 is 36. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Okay, now let's do the 5's. 1 times 5 is 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 5, 10, 1 plus 0, 15, 1 plus 5 is 6, 20, 2 plus 0, 5 times 5 is 25, which is 2 plus 5, that's a 7. 6 times 5 is 30, 7 times 5 is 3 plus 5, 35, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 times 5 is 40, 9 times 5 is 45. I'm going to fill in the rest of this, but I'm sure you get it. 1 times 6, so it goes 6, 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6 is 24, 5 times 6 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 6 is 42, right? Yeah. 7 times 6 is 42, so I'm going to put a 6 for 7 times 6. 8 times 6 is going to be a 48. 48 equals 12 equals 3. So I put, for 8 times 6, I put a 3. 9 times 6 is a 9, because 9 times 6 is 53.